Hey, how are you guys doing today? Today I've got a 1937 Royal Model O. It's gorgeous. Look at how shiny this is. The Royal Model O only came in the black enamel. Oops, I didn't have that down all the way. And this one, the enamel is in almost perfect condition. In fact, I'm trying to look for anything. I don't see any nicks on it. It is smooth and shiny and gorgeous. Okay, it looks like black nail polish or something like that. Anyway, super pretty. So this one is pretty basic and simple. It is portable because of its size and its weight. Let's take a look around. So right here is your carriage release. You're going to find it on either side. So you're going to just release that. And you can hear the bell. The bell will ding when you get to the end of your margin. So to set your margins, you take this back plate and you flip it up. And then you just press and drag your margins to where you want it. Okay? There's no tabulator on this typewriter. This is your return handle. And I'll be honest, I haven't gotten these two things. I'm not sure what they're doing. I should know that, but I don't, so I apologize. Okay, this is going to be your ribbon reversal, which we'll talk about in a second, your touch control, and your color selector. So let's talk about these three, but first let's go inside. And to do that, you just pop the top open. There you have on the inside the original metal spools came with this typewriter, so we're leaving them with this typewriter. Whoever purchases it, you will get the original metal spools with it. We have rewound fresh ribbon on there for you. So the touch control determines how hard you want these type bars to strike your paper. So you can just adjust that to your liking. The ribbon reversal, obviously when you get to the end of the ribbon, it doesn't mean your ribbon is used up. It still has plenty of ink, so you want to reverse the direction and keep doing that until you use up all the ink in your ribbon before you need to change it out. And when you do change it out, you simply lift up. And then you can either put in a universal ribbon, which we have on our Etsy shop and website, or you can send us your spools and we'll rewrap it with either a two-tone or just black only. When you do install it, make sure black is on top, red is on bottom, and that you thread it. There's guide wires here, not guide wires, but guides here, here, and then right here. So I have taken close-up images of that. You can find it on the Etsy listing. Even if this typewriter is sold, you can go there for reference and look at the image. And then this is your color selector, black and red. The white doesn't do anything. You guys don't need to worry about that at all. So pop that down. All right, down here, you'll see your margin release. So when you get to the end, if you're not familiar with typewriters, when you hear that ding, that tells you have about 3 to 5 characters left. When you get to the end of the margin, it completely stops. Margin release will release your carriage so you can finish typing out your word. These are all nickel-plated glass keys. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh, stunning. And your backspace. Let's go ahead and do a typing demo. So you just put your paper in right behind the roller and turn it and roll it through. Oh, I have the paper release. There we go. So that is the paper release. I was fiddling with that earlier. So this one will release the tension on the paper so that you can adjust it in case it's crooked. So put it back and there you go. All right, so this is a 1937. There is no number 1 key on this typewriter, as is common with many older typewriters, so you use the lowercase l. That's a really nice font. So some people wonder about us. We've been doing typewriters since August of 2018, so almost 2 years. And our learning curve is huge. My husband has, through doing a bunch of research, has taught himself how to repair typewriters. And we are still, and this is our side hustle. My husband works a full-time job. I have a couple other businesses that I run. So this is our side hustle. So we're learning as fast as we can. So that's why sometimes when I do my video and I say, I'm not sure, I don't know. So we are learning a lot, but we don't know everything. So for those of you, because we get a lot of people who watch who do know everything, we love your feedback. We appreciate it when it's kind and instructive rather than condescending, because we're learning and we're all learning. So we target these videos for those of you who really don't know a lot about typewriters, which is okay because that's a lot of people. And we try to share with you as much as we know. And we're very honest in our assessment of the typewriters and their condition. So ideally, really, we do these typewriters for our customers. But we have learned that many of you appreciate it just as a resource for your own typewriter. So if I don't cover something, you have a question, please leave a comment and I will answer it if I can. And if those of you who know more than I do can answer it, please go ahead and answer it. I want this to be a resource for the typewriter community. And the more we grow, the more we know, and the more we can share. All right, the quick brown fox, I lost my train of thought, jumps over. Okay, let me just tell you, holy cow, this typewriter is typing so well. I mean, the keys are just bouncing right back up. This feels like it's brand new. My husband has been working on this for a while, and he has done an amazing job. He gets better every day. This is going to be a fantastic typewriter. I would say this is going to be something that's good for a avid writer. You could easily get into the flow of working on a manuscript. The space bar feels really solid. I don't know how to explain. Those of you who've typed on typewriters before know the feel of the keys is everything. And I'm going to give this like an A+++++ in how it's typing and how it feels. Let's do the red ribbon. Okay, let me just say again, this is a big wow. Oops, wrong key, backspace. This typewriter is super duper awesome. So if you have been, hanging out and I didn't get that down all the way, waiting for just the right typewriter, I'm telling you, not only is the exterior in excellent condition, the typing is amazing. So this one is going to be worth the investment. If you have questions or comments, if you have a Model O, tell me what you like about it. And thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, follow our Etsy shop. And I didn't get a chance to work on my website at all this week, and I'm very frustrated with that. So I have one there. It's just not updated. But I think you guys are going to really like the new one. It's all super vintagey and retro, and it's really cool. It's just really hard for me to do. So, all right, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.